Good morning, Dad. What are these sweets for?
Good morning, Rahul. These are for the festival we're celebrating today.
Oh, which festival is it today?
Today is Diwali, the festival of lights. Come, I'll show you the decoration we did for Diwali.
I see we have a lot of lights and decorations. Why do we celebrate festivals?
That's a great question. Festivals are special times when we celebrate important events. They bring us joy and happiness, and we often visit relatives and friends, exchange gifts and sweets, decorate our homes, wear new clothes, and make special dishes.
Wow, that sounds fun. What other festival do we have in India?
India is a country of many festivals. Let's start with some of the religious ones. Here's a picture of Diwali. As you can see, people decorate their homes with candles, diyas, and lights. They also worship Goddess Lakshmi.
It's look beautiful. Tell me more about other festivals.
Here is a picture from Eid. It's celebrated by Muslims at the end of Ramadan, the holy month of fasting. People wear new clothes, go to mosques for prayers, and wish each other Eid Mubarak. They also prepare a sweet dish called sevaiya.
I love sweets. What about this picture?
That's from Gurpurab, an important festival for Sikhs. It celebrates the birth of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. People go to the Gurdwara for prayers, take out processions, eat food from a common kitchen called langar, and decorate their homes with lights.
And this one with this beautiful tree?
It's Christmas, celebrated by Christians every year on 25th December to mark the birth of Jesus Christ. People wear new clothes, go to church for prayers, decorate Christmas trees, and exchange gifts and cakes.
What about these festivals, Dad?
These are our national festivals, celebrated by all Indians. Independence Day is on 15th August. It marks the day India got its freedom. We hoist the national flag and sing the national anthem.
That's awesome. Which festival is this with this colorful parade?
It is Republic Day. It is celebrated on 26th January with a colorful parade in New Delhi. There is one more national festival, Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on 2nd October to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, one of our greatest freedom fighters.
Thanks for telling me about all this festival, Dad. I'm excited to celebrate Diwali today and learn more about other festivals as they come.
You're welcome, Rahul. Festivals are a great way to learn about our culture and spend time with family and friends. Now let's finish decorating and get ready for the celebrations.